My name's Scott Rafferty. I worked for the city for 15 years here at Northglenn. I have 34 years experience in the utility department. I want everybody to have their sewer system cleaned at least once a year. And the new Vanguard system helps us with that.
I'm just gonna swab it here. Get some count, see what we got. This is what they call ATP, so it just counts the bacterial and fungal counts. Okay, 6823. We're at 337 now.
Makes you feel better.
Yeah.
Way better.
Is this stuff continues to kill after it's been dwelling a little bit? So we'll do one more. We'll swab this some more. All right, there we go. We're down to 20.
You know, it's not like the old days where you just put rubber gloves on and grab the hose and stuff. I mean, it's safer for my employees. It's safer for the public that when we drive away from a manhole, there's not a huge wet circle of stuff we pulled out of the manhole or whatever, you know. So I think it's safer for everybody, and it's where we're at these days, you know. With everything that's happened the last couple of years, we want to be as safe to our employees as we can and take care of the citizens too.